I have 264 followers on Instagram, but I only get 3 or 4 likes on my post. How do I get more likes? Okay, so that sounds like you have a case, either a case of a lot of bots following you, or the content you're making might be a good idea, just not good. Especially with social media, a lot of people are just are upping their game in terms of the quality of their content. That's definitely something to take a look at to help give a much more concrete idea of what may be working for you. I would definitely encourage you to check out the analytics and see what kind of content people you got the most engagement in, or the engagement, reach, and all the things. The next thing too is I'm not against imitating people you like. I for example, just to go into a little bit more of a personal story, I learned how to draw through tracing, and then from there I looked at my favorite artists and tried to imitate them. From there I found my own style. It can be the same for you. Look at your favorite artists or your favorite, I don't know, Instagram people, and see how they're taking shots, their photos or videos or memes or whatever, what they're posting. See how they're doing it. And even to go deeper, what time they're posting it or what they're even saying. Is it a long post? Is it short? Is it witty? Is it educational? These are different elements you can take a look at in terms of improving your content, because if that's the case, it could just be the content's not that good. The next thing would be you just probably have a lot of bot followers that you need to clean up. Yeah, so improve the content. And if you're not creative in that sense, start by imitation. And don't copy exactly, don't look the same, because it's like copy paste, but look at the elements that you like and try to implement that. And then from there, you can start developing your own palette of your own creativity and whatnot. Yeah, so it's definitely coming down to the content, in my opinion.